In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace the master window switch. This one's broken. The actual physical button for the physical button for the passenger window is broken. It's not moving that window, but that window actually, the window goes up and down with this switch. Get our screwdriver here. Try not to mark up your car too much, huh? They make fancy plastic trim tools, which are a lot better to do this. I mean, this is my own personal car, so I'm not super concerned. And we're just pulling up on it, and the whole thing pops out like that. Okay, we can see that it's screwed in on the back of the switch, and there are two connectors on here. So I'm gonna unplug it. There's a little tab right here. Just press that tab and pull out. For that one, don't pull on the wires, pull on the plastic. And this one, okay, so that bottom connector, just take our screwdriver, turn, and then yeah, I guess it's a little stuck in there. What? Right there. Flies out of there. We'll take our screws out. Boom. Yeah. Our switch is, that piece broke. You could see how this one was broken. It almost looks like somebody tried to super glue it. We got our new switch here. Look at that. Man. So we'll fit her in there. Put our screws on. So now we got her screwed back together. Just plug her in. Right there. All right. All right. That works now. Alright, and that's how you replace the driver's master window switch. Thanks for watching, guys. Don't forget to like and subscribe.